Look no further than the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, backup camera, aluminum wheels, Wi-Fi hotspot, rear AC, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control. See how refined and comfortable a bold, muscular work machine can be. Drive the all-new Silverado.